Hi everyone, hope you all are good. We are here for grade 1 math. You can find all the lessons on aplusstudents.com. You have to log in there using your email address and password as provided by the administrator. Then you have to select math from the subject tab, scroll down to grade 1 math, and then click on view all lessons. There you can find a list of the chapters. We're going to start with the chapter place values. So please make sure you have your notebook and pencil so that you can note down the important examples and definitions as well. Here I am on grade 1 math. Chapter we are on right now is place values. Let's just start with the first lesson, that is write numbers as tens and ones. Type the missing number 6 tens and 2 ones. The rightmost digit is always the ones digit and the next digit 2 ones is tens. Whenever you have a number, hold on. Whenever you have a two digit number, the rightmost digit is always the ones digit, and next to ones is tens, that is 62. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number. Two tens and seven ones. Basically, the words tens and ones tells you the place value of the digit. 7 is at the ones position and 2 is at the tens position. So the correct option is 27. Option number 1 is the correct option. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 27. Type the missing number 4 tens and 9 ones. 4 tens and 9 ones makes, that is 49. The digit they make together is 49. Option 2 is the correct option. Five tens plus 3 ones, which is the correct option. Five tens and three ones together make 53. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 53. Five tens plus one ones. That is 51. Option number 1 is the correct option. Six tens, which is the correct option. Six tens, when you are given no ones, then definitely the ones are zero. You because the rightmost digit, whenever you write the digit, the rightmost digit is always the ones digit, right? So you cannot write a digit without the ones. So six tens means you have zero ones. So six tens and zero ones make 60. Option number 3 is the correct option. Option number 3 is the correct option. Five tens plus seven ones, which is the correct option. 5 tens and 7 ones together make 57. 7 is at the ones position and 5 is at the tens. So together they make 57. Nine tens means 90. The last option is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. 'Convert between tens and ones'. 70 ones means you have to see what digit is at the tens position. So just write it down. That is 1 and that is 10. So 7 tens. The correct option is 7 tens. Let's just start with the test questions. 3 tens. So how many ones we have? 3 tens. 3 tens, when you need to write the digit, that makes 30. So how many ones? The correct option is 30 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 30 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. 90 ones equal how many tens? 90 ones equal 9 tens. Write 90 and see which digit is at the tens position. 9 is at the tens position. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 9 tens. 6 tens equal how many ones? 6 tens equal six tens equals 60 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. Seven tens equal that is 70 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. 20 ones equal how many tens? 20 ones equal 2 tens. Option number 2 is the correct option. 8 tens equal how many ones? Eight tens equal 8 tens equal 80 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. 4 tens equal how many ones? 4 tens equal 40 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option. Ninety ones equal how many tens? 90 ones equal 9 tens. Option number 2 is the correct option. 1 tens equal how many ones? That is 10 ones. 110 means 10 ones. 20 ones equal how many tens? 20 ones equal 2 tens. Option number 2 is the correct option. 6 tens equal how many ones? 60 ones. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is place value models up to 10. What number is shown? You are given the model. You have to see what number is shown. This bar has 10 small squares. So the line represent tens. You have one, two lines. So we have two tens. And we have a single one square that represent one ones. So together they make the digit 21. Let's just start with the test questions. What number is shown? You are given two lines. That means we have two tens. Now you need to count the single ones. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We have 6 ones. So together they make 26. Option number 1 is the correct option. Two tens and 6 ones makes 26. Option number 1 is the correct option. Which number is shown? That is 110 and 7 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. What what number is shown? That is 110 and 3 ones. Together they make 13. Option number 2 is the correct option. What number is shown? Which is the correct option? That is 110 and 5 ones. So together they make 15. What number is shown? That is two tens and 7 ones. Option number 3 is the correct option. That is 27. What number is shown? That is 110 and 9 ones. Option number 4 is the correct option. That is 19. The correct option is 110s and 8 ones. Option number 2 is the correct option. That is 18. What number is shown? That is 110s and 2 ones. Option number 4 is the correct option. That is 12. What number is shown? That is 2 10s and 2 ones. That makes 22. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. The next lesson is write numbers as tens and ones up to 20. Let's just start with the test questions. Type the missing number 110. 110 means 10. Option number 1 is the correct option. Type the missing number 110 and 9 ones. So which is the correct option? 110s and 9 ones makes 19. Option number 1 is the correct option. No one is answering why. 110s and 8 ones, which is the correct option. 110s and 8 ones makes 18. Option 2 is the correct option. Type the missing number 110 plus 4 ones. 1 tens and 4 ones makes 14. Option number 2 is the correct option. One tens and 7 ones makes 17. Option number 2 is the correct option. One ten plus 3 ones equals 1 tens and 3 ones makes 13. Option number 1 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. Let me just move on to next lesson. Place value models up to 20. Let's just start with the test questions. What number is shown? That is 1 10 and 2 ones. Option number 1 is the correct option, that is 12. What number is shown? That is 5. Option number 1 is the correct option. That is 1 10 and 9 ones. 19 it is. Option number 3 is the correct option. What number is shown? That is 8. Option number 2 is the correct option. What number is shown? That is 6. Option number 4 is the correct option. What number is shown? That is 4, option number 4 is the correct option. That is 3, option number 3 is the correct option. What number is shown? That is 10, option number 3 is the correct option. That is 2 tens 20, option number 2 is the correct option. Okay, you can complete the lesson by yourself later today. So we were working on grade 1 math. Chapter we were working on is place values. The lessons we have covered today are write numbers as tens and ones, count between tens and ones, place value models up to 100, write numbers as tens and ones up to 20, place value models up to 20. Please make sure before the next session you can complete all the practice questions for the lessons we just did. That is your homework until next session. So if you need more help with any of the lessons, you can simply click on the live chat button. Tutors are available there to help you. Or either you can write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. So you can please write down the questions in the chat box. I'm here to answer all your questions and confusions if you have any. Okay, then that's all